In this video, we'll be trying to find the number of sigma bonds, the number of pi bonds, and the hybridization pattern of the highlighted carbon atoms in this particular structure. All right. So looking at this structure here, we have five number of carbons there, or five carbon atoms. One, let me call this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have five carbon atoms here, but the highlighted carbon are only three. They highlighted this one here, that's 1, and they called it A. This one here, that's B, and this one here, C. So we are only asked to focus on these three. Now, before we answer this question here, let's look at the concept of sigma, pi bonds, and hybridization pattern. All right. Now, for sigma bonds, all you have to note is this. All right. For sigma and pi bonds, note this. Note that number one, if I have just single bonds, all right, single bonds have just one sigma bond. All right. Number two, note that double bonds, all right, double bonds have one sigma and one pi bond. Then finally, number three, note that triple bonds, all right, triple bonds have one sigma and two pi bonds. All right. So with this concept here, you can always answer the number of sigma and pi bond in any highlighted atom. Now that's one. Also note the B part. When it comes to hybridization, all right, hybridization. When it comes to this, note that for all alkanes, that's having single bond, the hybridization pattern is sp cube. For alkenes having double bond, the pattern of hybridization is sp squared. And for alkynes that's having triple bond, alkynes having triple bond 1, 2, 3, the pattern is sp. All right. The pattern there is sp. All right. With this, all right. So with this concept, let's try to answer this question. Now let's start with A there. Let's start with A. Looking at A here, what do you observe? A, you have carbon. By the left hand, you have a triple bond, and by the right hand side, you have just a single bond. So this carbon here, by the left, you have 1, 2, 3. By the right, you have 1. Let's start with the number of sigma and pi bonds. We said a single bond gives you 1 sigma bond. A triple bond gives you 1 sigma and 2 pi. So in total, how many sigma bonds do you have? 1 plus 1. So this becomes 2 sigma bonds for this. How many pi bonds do you have here? 2. So 2 pi bonds. What will be the hybridization pattern? You can see a triple bond there. So triple bond, that's for alkyne. That becomes what there? Sp squared, or sp please. So triple bond, that becomes sp. This becomes the hybridization pattern. So I'll call this 1, call this 2, call this 3. So you have this. All right, that's for A. Let's go to B. For B, what do we have there? For B, we have this one here. This particular atom here has 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so you have 4 there. So I'm having B carbon here having 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many sigma bond do you have? For this, you have 1 sigma. That's for single bond. Another 1 sigma. Another 1 sigma. And another 1 sigma. So in total, you have, let's start with I, number of sigma bonds. You have 4 sigma bonds. If you combine all, right? How many pi bonds do you have? There is no double bond. There is no triple bond. So number 2, you have 0 pi bond. Okay. Number 3, the hybridization pattern. Looking at this, we have just single bond throughout. Looking at this, it's just single bond. And single bond for alkanes, we said is what there? sp-Q. That's alkane hybridization. So that's the answer for B. Let's try for C. For C here, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 2 here. Okay, so I want to complete for C. I want to complete this. You have let's just check this again. You have carbon, double bond by the right, single by the left, and one up. Okay, carbon, double bond by the right, one up, single by the left. All right, so you have this. So for this particular compound here, I'm leaving this to you. So the how many sigma bond do I have? Leave it in the comment section. How many pi bonds do I have? Leave it in the comment section. And what is the hybridization pattern? Right? Is it SPS or S? Is it SP squared, or SP cubed? Leave it in the comment section and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. All right?
For complete video, visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses and select the Organic Chemistry course. Or simply join the Organic Chemistry member group to get other exclusive organic chemistry videos.
Don't forget that you can get the full organic chemistry course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses and you see the organic chemistry course, or you can join the organic chemistry channel membership to get access to exclusive videos on organic chemistry. All right? Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, right? Give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment. I gave you a task, right? This particular question here, you're asked to provide the number of sigma bonds, pi bonds, and also the hybridization pattern for this particular carbon atom. Get your answers, leave it in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Don't forget to also subscribe. If it's your first time here or you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe, hit the bell icon, select all so that you get notified whenever we upload a new content. Then finally, do what to share this video to your friends so that they can also learn. Thank you and see you in our next class.